We have teams across the country that are dedicated to keeping our aircraft clean. Let's take a behind-the-scenes look at the team in Colorado Springs, Colorado.
My name is Jordan Vaughn. I'm a cabin cleaning agent here at Colorado Springs Airport. As a cabin agent, we make sure and sustain that the passengers have a clean and sanitized flight. It's essential, I believe, because I feel like it's similar to the way as if somebody were to come over to your home, and if they seen a mess, they would be hesitant on coming over again, and then next thing you know, the word of mouth spreads. Hey, their house is dirty. I don't know if you should be going over there. I feel it's the same way, so that's how I treat it.
My name is Heather Williamson, and I'm a cabin cleaning lead. I've always loved cleaning, and I actually had a cleaning business, and I've loved aviation since I can remember. A perfect combo for me. So we clean the aircraft when they come in, and we do a lavatory service. When anybody comes in the morning, usually their duty for the day is assigned on the board. When our cleans come in, we have to change a few things around, but for the most part, one person gets, a certain job for the day or for their shift. And so we all just kind of know what we're doing, and we're pretty organized with that, and, the way we board the plane to, make our time more efficient.
It takes more than cleaning skills to be successful. Teamwork, collaboration, and compassion for your coworkers all play a role in the team's success.
Being genuine, honestly, being you, yourself, and being compassionate as well, considerate of others, what they might be going through, and being able to thoroughly communicate as well. It's pivotal because I feel like without it, then there would be unnecessary turbulence. No pun intended.